wano chikaba nine. Las Vegas is never, it's like never before. Mbadde wano okumala emyaka mingi nnyo ngenda ba events ez'enjawulo naye kiri wano sikitegeera na kwegamba kyewuunyisa limousines, Rolls Royce, security, abantu abava everywhere mu nsi yonna yonna bali wano to be a witness to this great event. Tomorrow night is especially significant because event eno si ya bulijjo nti alina ssente ayingira nedda. Kijawudde mu bantu bonna bonna nti y'abantu babuvunaanyizibwa. It's an event of who is who, not really how much you can pay, but who is who, you know, in the grand scheme of things.
£145, Manny Pacquioa.
Floyd Mayweather weighs in at 146 pounds.
And given the fact that his style is that of a protective defender and Pacquiao's is that of a violent attacker, that makes the problem that much more difficult for Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah, it's a conundrum for him in many ways, but right now he is drinking in what is a lot of adulation from this crowd.
Who wins? How? Why?
Well, I stick with my guy. I've watched him. I've seen him from day one. There's a lot of reasons. And listen, Drew, after Floyd beat up Pacquiao, the general public is going to say, well, he got knocked out by Juan Manuel Marquez. You know,
There's always something.
Timothy Bradley beat him up.
There's always something.
Floyd never lost. Floyd doesn't know how to lose. It's almost like saying, yeah, Floyd doesn't know how to, you know, to swim. If he swims, he's gonna sink. This is what this guy doesn't know how to lose. So if he beats Pacquiao, or when he beats Pacquiao, I shouldn't even be saying if. After he beats Pacquiao, we just say, yeah, he was better than Pacquiao.
Unbelievable.
All the young guys out there, trust me, we were young once and we believed that we can do this. And I became a world champion, and there's guys like Ayub Kalule, John the Beast Mugabe, all the other guys that have come, you know, before and afterwards. I expect that the young guys who are watching today, hopefully, I know boxing is a very tough sport, but whatever you choose to do, you do it with the belief that you can be the best you can be at. Ugandan guys, I know you have a lot of talent, and it's just a matter of going out there and delivering.